So do not take advantage of your work right now kasi it is very valuable, especially when the economy goes into recession. The second thing that you need to remember is you need to boost your savings. So kung meron na kayong 6 months worth of expenses, then medyo okay na kayo, but it would always be better to increase it to 9 months worth up to 12 months worth of your expenses. I've talked to some people, they are predicting na the economy will not be recovering for the next 18 months. So may mga ganong predictions, no, especially sa mga circles ng mga entrepreneurs. A lot of the business people that I know are preparing for a runway of 18 months. Ano ibig sabihin ng runway of 18 months? Meron silang extra funds for the next 18 months. So on the personal finance level, siguro ganun din, no? Pero sabi ko, masyado namang mahaba yung 18 months na runway. So the best thing siguro is to at least have around 9 months worth of savings, no? And the third is you need to manage your debts, okay? So borrow responsibly at huwag kayong magko-cosign or magko-co-guarantor ng mga utang ng iba. Okay? So iwasan nyo na yon. Dagdag stress lang yan. At I'm sure, di ba, sakit ng ulo at problema yung paniningil. Kahit na gaano kayo ka-close, huwag kayong magko-cosign o magko-co-guarantor ng loan ngayon. Okay? The next thing that you can do is to diversify your income. Okay? So hanap kayo ng mga iba't ibang racket. Building multiple sources of income will guarantee that even if, knock on wood, mawalan ka ng trabaho, hindi titigil yung pagpasok sa'yo ng pera. Okay? So, the last is you need to manage your investments. Okay? Of course, yung mga long-term investments natin, more often than not, pwede natin hindi na sila galawin. But of course, if you have short-term and medium-term goals, you need to look at your investments for them and see kung ano ba yung pwede mong gawin para you can still manage to reach your short-term and medium-term goals despite of what's happening. Okay? So these 5 things are your options, are the things that you can do to recession-proof your finances.